75 to 80% hydration. This has got a little ways to go, this dough, but I wanted to give you a little bit more cell structure, so it's got some life to it. It's very light, as you can tell. But that's it. So we're gonna do a couple of three different mushroom, very simple. We're gonna do a vegetarian for your family. A little onion, nothing crazy. Maybe I'll put a little peppers on there, very little. I'm gonna come back with, I don't know, what do you think? We'll do a meatball. You ready? I need you. So anyway, Billy Manzo here at Federal Pizza Company. Listen, I got so many responses off a video that I did recently about 80% hydration and some other things that I was doing with multiple grains that I use. So listen, I offer classes, stuff you really can't talk about on video because I even go up to 100% hydration. I can only tell you this, 100% hydration you have to feed. That's a conversation outside of these videos, sorry. The other thing is, if you're talking about using multi-grains, you need my baby, you need a mock mill. And when you get a mock mill, my baby, if you get a mock mill, then you can buy your berry and make your own flour. So that's what we do at Federal Pizza. We're the only one in the state, no question, at least the state, that I grind my own berry. So think Billy Manzo, Federal Pizza Company. Say hello, baby. Thank you, mock mill. You're the bomb.